You're all set, everyone. We'll be checking the counter.
Hey, quick question. I'm opening a bakery down the street. Do you guys do free business checking?
Absolutely. We even have small business specialists, so if there's anything you need, we've got your back.
Sweet.
So are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Small business banking. We've got your back. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, insurance would like to do a more serious auto insurance commercial for your viewing pleasure.
What's not serious about a special agent fighting crime with an insurance undercover?
I hate to let you down, lady. You're in our group. Come to me, and I'll read of it.